Hey guys, it's me, Alex, and before I do all my exercises, I warm up. It's very important. So I'm going to show you 4 warm-up exercises that I do to get started. The first one is called reach-ups. All right, make sure you're reaching up, touch your knee, and touch your toes. Reach up, knee, toes. Very simple. Okay, the second one is jumping jacks. It's very low impact warm-up exercises. It's great for your heart rate, keeping your heart rate going and pumping right before you do your exercise. Okay, the third one is alternating standing crunches. This one is good for your core, loosening up your hips, working your shoulders. Very light impact. Okay, and the last one is push-ups. You're working your shoulders, you're working your arms, and you're working your core at the same time. Okay, and the modified, if you can't do that, you can get on your knee. And once you get on your knee, you're just gonna go down and up. Keeping your core tight. And this is also a great chest exercise as well. All right. That's it, the 4 warm-up exercises. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the entire warm-up. I'm gonna do a set of 10, but first I'm gonna drink a little water from my Rejuvenate Your Life water bottle. Make sure you're hydrating. Okay. All right, I'm keeping my core tight, loosening up those hips. Getting ready for this warm up. I'm reaching up all the way to the sky, as high as you can go. Go at your own pace. It's not a race. Okay? Keeping my stomach sucked in. Arms all the way up. And here we go. Reaching up, knee up. Make sure you're breathing. Now the push-ups. And I'll do 5 alternating.